Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Today we're going to be unboxing our economic class UniView Wi-Fi security cameras. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of one of our economic series of the UniView Wi-Fi cameras. Over here we have ourselves a UniView Wi-Fi camera, which is the part of the UHO S2 series. This has 2K resolution and a 3 megapixel lens, comes with Wi-Fi and RJ45 Ethernet integration. Taking a look at this camera over here, along with the box design, looks pretty nice. It's got these features that UniView has designed for: auto tracking, 360-degree panoramic view, an alarm siren, human body detection, a 33 feet smart IR light, dual-way audio for two-way communication, a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, and multiple ways of storing recordings. And taking a look over here, what's also included in the box, it gives you exactly all the contents within this box. You got the camera, USB cable, quick guide, power adapter, mounting plate, and screwing kit. Going ahead and unboxing this camera, the first thing that comes out, as you can see, this is a very well protected box. We go ahead and pull this guy out. These are our accessories. These accessories include what we just talked about. Just go ahead and find the place to open it. We have our power brick, micro USB power adapter, mounting support frame, and the screws and the mounting joints. And then the second thing we're going to pull out here is the camera itself. It comes in a separate sub box. I call it a substitution box. And as you see, this is a very well wrapped, very well protected camera. And over here we have our quick start guide. And as we take a look over here, this camera has the 2 megapixel lens I was talking about, along with the speaker and the microphone attached here, and the RJ45 Ethernet port and the micro USB port for power. The best part about this camera is you can integrate this with the UniView app, and so you're able to check this camera as footage from anywhere as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection. And the beautiful part about UniView cameras, there is no monthly subscription fee or anything. It's a one-time payment out of the box, and you own the camera and you get the features and the equipment with it. If you have any other questions about pricing or anything in regards to that, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik, and I'll see you in the next video.